So hello guys and welcome back. So finally I've ordered the boom arm for my new mic and I've installed the same, and currently it is sitting on the boom arm. So let me just quickly show you how the boom arm looks like. Okay, so finally you have seen how the boom arm looks like. So I've ordered this particular boom arm from Maono brand, and that's a decent brand, and that's not a very expensive boom arm, I would say. In India there are very less sellers who are selling a good quality boom arm. So I definitely want to order another boom arm because I want to keep my lights on the boom arm so that I can shift all my lights throughout, because right now I have to keep them on the stand, and I fold these stands and keep them in bag and keep it somewhere most of the time. But I want it to be ready to shoot every time when I want to record video. I just want to make my workflow a little smoother. So that's my future plan, that I'll order another boom arm which can hold 2.5 kilograms of weight so that it can easily handle my umbrella light, and then I'll install it on my tabletop. And yes, this is also installed on my tabletop, so you might have already seen in the video. The quality is okay-ish. Okay, if I talk about the review for this particular boom arm, it's a very cheap product, so I do not want to go into specifics. You do not get much at this price range, but definitely this is kind of a decent, if I have to give rating, I would say 3.5 to 4 out of 5. That's what I'll give to this one. It sometimes makes sounds when you close the scissor, so they call it scissor boom arm. So it sometimes make little noise, but you do not expect much in this price range. So I've ordered this for around 500 rupees. It is flexible. The table mount, the tabletop mount is kind of nice, so everything is nice. Yeah, it's working like it is supposed to be. It's not a very high quality. It is okay. It's not something which they are showing on they are showing on Amazon in pictures. You're definitely not going to get the same quality. They are currently showing different pictures for the newer model for the same boom arm, so you won't get that. But what you're getting is also nice. If you have mic which is not very costly, it can easily handle Blue Yeti as well, just for the reference, because most people know about that particular microphone as well. So yeah, if you have any microphone which is a condenser microphone, or I would say most of the microphone, it will easily manage to hold it, given the fact that it should have 3/8 mount. Okay, so that's what it supports right now. If you have any kind of adapter or whatever, then it's a different story altogether. But yeah, it's not very lengthy. So it has scissor arms, so each arm of the scissor is around 13 inch. So that's what it is. I would say I'm kind of satisfied with the product. I had higher expectations, but that's my foolishness, because I ordered a product which is 500 rupees only, and it is made up of metal, so I should not expect much at this price range. But yeah, that's good. So let me know what you feel in the comment section below. How about my boom arm? So this is how it looks. I can just easily hold it up, hold it down, drag it center. So that's the limit. Okay, so yeah, I can keep it here. It can go here as well. Okay, it must be making noises right now because it does not have a shock mount, and I'm making shifts to the stand. So yeah, that's how it is. Sorry if you heard the jerks while I was switching, while I was tilting the boom arm or making any changes in the position of this arm. Okay, so that's not a review video. Basically, I just wanted to tell you that yeah, I finally installed it, and I'm looking forward to complete my setup. So I've recently built a table as well for my gaming and YouTube channel. Not a gaming channel, but my gaming plus my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I'll review that soon. I have to do a lot of cable management. If you have seen my previous few videos, you can easily see that the cable management is not there, just because I'm waiting to purchase few more items so that I can make my setup look complete. I have lights already, I'll install that later on. And definitely I want to keep my CPU cabinet below the table. I do not want to keep it on top of the table, just because I don't feel like doing that. And the fan of this particular cabinet makes hell amount of noise. I don't want to purchase new fans right now. Actually, I went to the market and the silent fans were quite expensive actually, if you want it with RGB. So I'm planning to buy a water cooler for this one, but that will definitely take time. So that's in today's video. There is no review, no update. I'll soon update my new phone's review, which is IQOO 3. If you're interested in that one, just mention that in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care.